Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Grande-Vallee is a peaceful village located on Quebec's stunning Gaspé Peninsula, along the St. Lawrence River. Grande-Vallee, which means Great Valley, sits in a large fertile valley where the Grande-Vallee River flows into the sea. The village's history dates back to the late 1600s, when it was part of a seigneurie granted by the French government. However, it wasn't until the 1830s that it began to be settled by fishermen, and the first permanent families arrived in the 1840s. Grande-Vallee became an official municipality in 1927. Today, this town is home to just over 1,000 people. It's known for its rich history, beautiful landscapes, and traditional Quebecois culture. The area is also famous for its stunning natural surroundings, including nearby lakes like Lac de la Confrérie and scenic routes along the river. Whether you're exploring the winding paths along the St. Lawrence or taking in the local culture, Grande-Vallee is a perfect spot to experience the heart of rural Quebec.
Thanks for watching!